Today we're going to talk about something near and dear to my heart, FOGO Charcoal. Hey, and welcome back. Like I said, we're going to be talking charcoal today. My name is Ron Dimfelmeyer, Captain Ron, and one of the biggest questions that I always get, what is the different types of charcoal for? What do we have? Well, we've got our black bag premium, we've got super premium right here. That's our super premium, and we also have our eucalyptus charcoal back here. So we're going to go through today how to use each one, what it's designed for, what it's best for you, and we can talk a little bit about the different aspects of FOGO charcoal. Let's dig in. All right, so the first one that we want to dig into today is going to be our black bag premium charcoal. It comes in two sizes, 17.6 pounds and 35 pounds. This is the 17.6 because I don't want to stand here holding a 35-pound bag. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. So FOGO is made from a blend of aromatic inglewood and El Salvador. That's what gives FOGO its unique flavor profile that it's prized for. El Salvador is famous for its high-quality shade-grown coffee. Now those shade trees only serve one purpose, to provide just the right amount of shade to make world-class coffee. They're constantly trimmed, removed, replaced, and replanted. The wood's too short and doesn't work for timber, so it's just been left to rot on the coffee plantations. So, FOGO and the plantations, we work together to recover the wood and make it into the world's best charcoal. Now, if you're wondering what hardwood charcoal is, it's made from actual hardwood, like we said here. So you can see the grooves in it from the trees. And what it is, it's kiln burned. There's no chemicals. So like when you get a briquette, it's smashed up, there's sawdust, there's all kinds of chemicals in there. You don't want any of that. This is gonna burn clean, it's gonna burn hot, and it's gonna give you very little ash, and it's gonna give you a great flavor. You talk about smoking wood, you're gonna naturally get some type of little smoking flavor out of just using lump charcoal because it's made from actual wood. Nothing else, that's it. Our different charcoals are made for different types of grilling. This, the black bag, the premium, you can see it's all medium-sized pieces. There's no giant, super large chunks in it. Okay, it's a medium-sized. So what this is basically made for is kind of your everyday grilling. When you're cooking hotter and faster, when you're going on a direct flame, a lot of times some short smokes or something like that, this is gonna be ideal for that kind of usage. Because of the medium-sized, smaller-sized chunks in this bag, it's gonna give you a nice, even heating surface so that when you're cooking, everything's gonna be at the same temperature as opposed to a hot spot here, a hot spot there. If you have a large chunk of charcoal, like we're gonna show you later, it could be burning more on this side than on this side, gonna give you uneven temperatures. With this, it's gonna be spread out perfectly across your grill. It's great for cooking steaks, hamburgers, it cooks nice and hot, hot dogs, or even if you're cooking in a small grill like this one. The Black Bag Premium is actually our biggest selling product in our product line of all the charcoals we have. Now, I've talked about it being so great for grilling. You can use this for smoking too, it's good, but we have a better product for smoking that's designed specifically for low and slow cooking. Now let's jump into that one. Next up, super premium. Yeah, the big boy. Let's rip into this one and see what it looks like. Who else is excited? Let's open this one up and see what we got inside now. Now that's some super premium. Let me explain a little something to you about this stuff. These chunks right here, these big, huge chunks of tree, you can see this was a split where a branch came off. This stuff is made for smoking, low and slow cooking. Now you can use it for grilling, but you're gonna have a hard time because you're gonna fill up your grill in no time at all. This is made for smokers. I have literally smoked on this big green egg right there for over 20 hours using super premium and still had charcoal left in the end. I could have cooked even longer. It's amazing. It's slow burning, it's clean, and it's gonna give you a nice even smoke the whole entire time that you're cooking without having to do any kind of additions of more charcoal. Now my recommendation for this is for smoking. It's great in Kamados. I like to use this a lot in my XL big green egg, or if you have another large, extra large size one. A lot of people use it in their offsets. They put it in there, then they'll load wood on top of this. You could use it in any kind of smoker. It's gonna burn, it's like so long, like forever. Well, maybe not forever, but you get the point. It's gonna burn for long, extended periods of time without having to adjust it at all, and it's gonna give you a nice, even temperature. Smoking wood, super premium. And now lastly, eucalyptus blend charcoal. Woohoo! Now let's pull that string and open this one up and see what's inside. Our eucalyptus. Can you guess what kind of wood it's made out of? Eucalyptus, that's right. If you're not sure what that is, it's a Brazilian hardwood. It's fully sustainable. The nice part about this, it burns longer, it burns hotter, and it's gonna give you a really nice aromatic smell that's actually gonna transfer into your meat and just give you a slightly different flavor than what you're used to. And I personally love it. It's gone over very well so far, and a lot of people are ordering it. We're selling a lot of this stuff. So maybe want to give this a shot, but let's check out the rest of it. The great part about this eucalyptus is it's designed to have all different size chunks in it. So it's gonna give you a really nice burn. The bigger pieces are gonna help it burn longer. Look at the size of this piece. Good Lord. It's as big as my head, literally. And I have a big head. You've seen the videos. But yeah, it's gonna let it burn longer. It's gonna burn more clean because you got all different sizes. So it's all burning at different rates. So it's gonna burn nice, believe it or not, that makes it burn evenly. I think you're gonna really enjoy this. We sure do. Look at that, isn't it just beautiful? Now, hopefully by now you've seen some of my videos and you know, because I have a mirror and I know, I got a really big head. This piece is almost the size of my head. That's a big piece of charcoal. And that, folks, is our charcoal breakdown. So like I said, we got a lot of questions as to what each charcoal is, what it's used for, what's the differences. So I hope I was able to explain and break down some of those questions and give you the answers you were looking for. If not, hit me up down in the questions down below in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to know, and I'll be happy to cover it. If you want to see us cook something specific with a specific charcoal, let me know. But anyway, I hope that this was able to help you out. We're very proud of our charcoal, and we want you to know the differences between each one. And like I said, I hope that this explained it. Remember, if you like what you saw here, if you're liking our videos, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, like us, all right? It really helps us out a lot if you do that. And leave us a comment. We'd love to know what you're thinking. So keep tuning in. We got some great stuff coming up. Remember to get out and grill, and we'll see you next time on The FOGO Life.